In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to rotate a photo on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your gallery. As you can see, mine is right here on my home screen. Tap on that and then choose the picture that you want to rotate. In my case, I'm going to go for this first one right here. Now, if you take a look at the bottom of the screen, in my case, I have a bunch of different settings like the heart icon, then a pencil, and then information, and a bunch of other ones here. Now, what I want to press on is the pencil icon, as that's going to allow us to edit the photo. Now, in order to rotate it, what you want to look for is this little rotation setting right here. In my case, it's a little square with the arrow going over it. So if I tap on that, the image is going to start rotating anti-clockwise. So for example, if I want to keep the rotation like this, all I need to do is click on save and then keep current resolution. And just like that, the photo has been saved to my desired rotation. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to rotate a photo on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.